Hi everyone. Do you know, I keep filming videos and then not editing them and uploading them because I just can't be bothered. I absolutely adore filming and I do like editing sometimes, but it's the fact that I just have to sit down and like dedicate time to it. I just don't get around to it. My skin seems to clear up for one day. I'm telling you, one day of the month my skin will be fine, will be like okay, and then suddenly bam, it's bad again, and I'm just like. So I got this really exciting package in the post the other day, which is the Anastasia Dipbrow gels. They also came with some coasters, which I actually am using. So I have this one down here. It's already dirty. I have a silver one upstairs in my bedroom, and then I have one on display. So yeah, they're really cute. Anastasia are always so generous. So yeah, this is a mixture between their Dipbrow pomade and a brow gel. So it's supposed to be like a more, I'm gonna actually look up and see what it says. The formula is waterproof, matte and very pigmented. If you're in a rush, use it as a standalone product and your brows will immediately look filled in. Dipbrow gel accompanies any of our brow products. 11 shades, all matte, full coverage pigment gel. Filling your brows has never been easier. Full size is £18 and the mini is £9. Do you know, that's actually really good because the mini is actually half. So the full size is 4.4 grams. Let me get one out and this is what it looks like. That's the size of it. So that's 4.4 grams and it's $18. Did I say pounds? I meant dollars. And then the mini is $9 and it's 2.2 grams. So it's exactly half. And it's exactly half the price. I think that's really good of ABH. A lot of companies try to rip off people like that. On the 4th online and the 7th in stores. Oh, what they think about you. Recently I've been really liking the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, and also I love their Brow Wiz and Brow Definer. I always go in with a bit of foundation first just to cover up any spots, redness around my brows, because I don't want that to show through through my brows, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is a bit too dark for me, but usually when I use it, I use a lighter concealer and it works out fine. I think I'm going to go with medium brown first because that is the kind of shade I feel like I will get on with, because I usually use that. But then I could probably get away with a lot of these shades. I don't know about granite, but I feel like I could really get away with auburn because I have dyed my hair. So usually I don't like coloured brow gels because I feel like they're so messy. I'm not a neat person sometimes. I'm in a rush and it just goes wrong. I like a clear brow gel because then it like sticks up my hairs, but I'm going to try this out. I'm going to go in with a complete clear mind and just see if I like it. So this is the shade medium brown. I'm just going to run this through my brows just to see firstly how pigmented it is, and then I'm going to decide what I want to do with it. I also feel like with a lot of coloured brow gels, they get onto your skin and then your brows look really messy. Not messy, like patchy. I need to do something different. Hold on. Take 2. So what I'm going to do now is actually put a bit on my brush and start off with it on my brush. So I'm going to brush up my brow hairs first, and I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand on the brush and just line underneath. And I like this because it's kind of like Dipbrow, but like for like more natural brows. I'm just going to brush that through to see if there's any sparse areas. Okay, so I'm actually really liking how this looks so far. It looks really fluffy and kind of like natural, which I'm really into. I'm going to go in with the medium brown and actually take it from the wand, but I'm going to take off a bit of the product because I don't want too much, and I'm just going to run that. Honestly, just to have help. Why can't I speak? To just have one brow product that kind of works multitasking, so you can make them fuller brows, you can make them like natural brows, you know what I mean, you can make them blocky if you want to, do you know what I mean, so that sort of thing. I think it's really handy. I'm really liking this product. I'm going to carve my brows out and then see how I feel. So this brow is a bit more bushy than this brow, So I'm just going to take a little bit of that foundation. Okay, so I think these are the finished brows. They are quite blocky and actually quite dark. So I think next time I might try a lighter shade. I am really impressed with this brow product because it's a brow gel, but I've managed to get my brows looking this thick. So this was using the Anastasia Dipbrow gel in the shade medium brown. I think I'm just going to finish the video here. I'm really impressed with this brow product, and for only $18, I'm not sure how much it's going to be in pounds. I feel like they usually translate it as the same price. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. Let me know if there are any other products you want me to test out. I am going to test out the Riviera palette from ABH. I think it's coming tomorrow, so I'm really excited. I'm going to film with it as soon as I get it, I feel like. So that'll be up soon. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quite short, but I had fun filming it, and I feel like weird because I'm not ending the video with a full face of makeup, just my brows. So yeah, anyway, love you guys. I hope you're having a really great day, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.